Buonasera, buonasera. Arem. Mela, tlaqna bil-mod. Buonasera. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a delicious recipe. We're gonna cook orzotto with pea puree and ham-hock, smoked ham-hock. So orzotto is barley in Italian, orzo. Okay, and it is cooked the same way with the same procedure as risotto. In my opinion, the barley is a healthier option because it has more fiber. All right, so for this recipe we need obviously the barley. We need a ham-hock, a smoked ham-hock. Okay, the ham-hock I got is from the hind quarter, so it's quite large. I cut it in half and I already used half of it. Okay, I will show you how to cook it. We need some butter, half an onion, a leek, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 large cups of peas, parsley, a tablespoon of ginger, 1 lime, coconut milk, and olive oil. When it's cooked, the final product will look something like this. Okay, we'll use this lovely stock to cook the orzotto, and the meat should pull off very, very easily. Okay, the skin, the fat of it is completely edible and it tastes good. So we start off with the pea puree. Okay, we need a knob of butter, teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, put that on medium heat. 1 small leek. I got a spring onion actually, but it works the same. Ginger. We want this as finely chopped as possible. We go in with a tablespoon of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, so we sweat the ingredients, okay, until transsucculent. We don't need to color the ingredients, we just need to cook them. Okay, then we add the coconut milk, a tin of coconut milk, good quality coconut milk, and we reduce it to 2/3. Then we go in with the peas. Once the peas are cooked, we season the puree and we blitz. Okay. Arem. dedicate this recipe to my friend Godfrey, who is a true lover of this cut of meat. Okay. For the orzotto, again, we need a knob of butter, tablespoon of olive oil, half a finely chopped onion, freshly cracked pepper. So, in the meantime, the coconut milk have reduced by 2/3, and we go in with the peas. You don't need to thaw the peas, just straight from the freezer. Okay, we season them, salt, and once the onion is translucent, we go in with the barley. Okay, pearl barley should take around 20 to 25 minutes to cook. We go in the barley. You need 100 grams of dried barley for each person, and then you soak it in water for 20 minutes. Okay. Let the soaking liquid dry out. Once it dries out, we add half cup of dry white wine. It is also important that you season this stock that we're going to use for the barley. Okay? Pan is nice and dry. Okay. Half a cup of white wine. We let the wine reduce a bit. Okay, and then we continue with this one, bit by bit. And let it cook on medium heat. In the meantime, the peas are ready. Okay, switch them off, let them cool down a bit, let them rest a bit, and then we'll blitz them with a stick blender. With this recipe, you'll easily feed from 4 to 5 people, and according to my costings, it should cost you around €8 max. To cook the barley or risotto, do use a wide pan. Okay, otherwise the risotto or barley underneath will cook faster than the one on top, and probably stick to the pan as well too. In your good hands, Craig. You need to cut this, do you know? Don't you? So, okay, we go by blitzing the peas. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So the consistency should be that of a thick soup, okay? And the color should be nice, beautiful, vibrant green. I'll check the seasoning. A little bit more salt. And some white pepper. Yeah, that's some. Needs more stock. From this stage onwards, you need to add this stock very, very gradually. Okay? So, once it's 3/4 of the way cooked, we add the puree. Okay? We continue cooking it in the puree. So the orzotto is almost cooked. Okay? At this stage, we lower the heat. Okay? We add the lovely puree. We add this tasty ham-hock. Okay, we reserve some for the garnish. Okay. Now we cover that with a lid and we let it rest for 7 to 8 minutes of the heat. So that's nice and rested. Now we check the seasoning. Yummy, yummy. A little bit more salt. Okay. And we plate our food. See the consistency? Obviously consistency of a risotto. Risotto, if you use risotto, it works just the same. Okay? Fresh pepper. Bit of parsley. Lime. And some of a lovely ham-hock. Okay. A drizzle of olive oil. And voila. Isn't it lovely?